Hey guys! So I was totally just going to take a little break from filming, but I saw that Shane Dawson just uploaded part 2 of his newest series, and I realized that I need something in this box to fully enjoy that. So my box today is Winc wine clubs. So that's right, I want to drink some wine. I saw it was a 45-minute episode and I'm like, yeah, I need a glass. So I'm not like a big Jake Paul person, or I've never really even heard of him until I started watching drama channels and stuff, but I love Shane Dawson, who doesn't, and his last few series on other YouTubers were awesome, so I'm totally in it. I watched part 1, it was good. Have you guys watched it? Let me know in the comments. Anyways, I'm gonna get unboxing. This is probably gonna be like so rushed because I am super excited. But anyways, I love the box for this. It's very convenient to hold because it is kind of heavy, so it comes with a handle, and it's packed super securely. And so, you know, Winc is wine, obviously, from what I've said so far, but if you don't know any of the other details, it is a wine club, so that means you get wine delivered once monthly or as specified. I believe you get to customize this box pretty much exactly to your liking. You get to pick how many bottles you want, if you want reds, whites, a mixture. When you first subscribe, you get to take a little quick survey, like talking about what tasting notes you like and stuff like that. And you don't need to know any of those fancy terms. They'll just ask you things like, do you like chocolate? Like stuff like that. Like, are you into fruity wines? It's super quick. I've been subscribed to this for a long time now, so I don't know if it's changed, but I don't think so. They'll also ask you like price range stuff. I get like the lower end. I think the average of my bottles is $13 per bottle, and I get 4 at a time, and I get all red. And you can even customize the bottles that come in it. Like, you get an email that says like a sneak peek or something like that of the bottles that are coming. I never really have changed it once, but you have that option. And also you get some points towards free wines if you review the bottles, which I need to catch up on. And it doesn't like expire or anything like that, so that's super nice. So I can go in and review 4 months at a time right now and get credit for that. So I'm totally gonna do that now that I thought of it. So on top there's just like a little card. I think these are just mostly like advertisement stuff. So here's one that talks about Winc. It says, oh, speaking of rating it, so now I can leave this paper out to remember. It says how to Winc, rating your wine. It's 1, choose your bottles. 2, let us deliver. 3, unbox your product. 4, rate 1 bottle. 5, learn your palate. So when you rate things, they'll suggest items, I guess, that you like, and then repeat steps 1 through 5. You can see that, and then, oh wow, it talks about a winemaker's not so average day. Oh my god, they walk 25,000 steps a day when they're working. Damn, I hope they have Fitbits on. They get like all those like medals or whatever the hell, you know, and you get like little rewards, which I should really do. I don't move my body enough. But anyways, and then there's like a advertisement for something. What is this? Whatever, unpacked, I don't know what that is. But you can see, sorry, this is really heavy, I'm a weakling. That is packed super securely. It has this on top, and then there are 4 bottles in here, but that is what I chose. You don't need to get that many. You can get 5, 6, 2, 1, I don't know. Whatever your little heart desires. So the first bottle I see is Cabernet Sauvignon Pacificana. Okay, so this is my first bottle. I like reds. I like cabs and Pinot Noirs mostly, but I pretty much like all reds. And this is Kin & Country. And this is a Primitivo. I don't really know much about that. See, I'm still learning about wine. I drink it pretty often, but I'm still learning. Like, if I go to the store and I don't know what wine to get, like, I look at my price range and the labels, and so far these all have really cute labels. Like, look at this label, I like it. I've gotten one that looked like this. So this is a blend, and this is called Wall of Sound. So like, if this was like $13 and I had this label and I had no idea any of the other wines there, I'd be like, I'll try this. And so I'll just read the back of this one. I'm not going to read all the descriptions. It says, inspired by the epic sounds of 60s rock, Wall of Sound features an arrangement of California varietals that together create a far greater impact than they ever could on their own. Notes of dried cranberry, cherry, dark plum, savory spice, and a hint of leather punctuate this bold red blend. A hint of leather? And then, last but not least, the 4th bottle, which is another cute label. It's called Fix, or equals obsessed. I don't know, it has like some writing on there, it's cute. So this is a red wine blend, product of France. It has like a little like tally of cases. So this looks cool. Maybe I'll try this one first because I know I haven't tried this one before. Like I said, I've been getting this for a long time. Oh, and just so you know, that's what the box looks like. So I've had a decent amount of their wines. They actually have their own winery, which is super cool. So I've tried a few of these, I think, but I know I haven't tried this one. Anyways, my cats love to play with these boxes. I just like lay it down like this and they'll like go inside it. But, so I'm super excited to have wine now. I haven't had wine in my place in a few days and yeah, it's not fun. So yeah, I think I'm gonna start off with this one. Whatever it's called. It has a pH 3.70 apparently. I don't know. There's so much writing on here I keep seeing. I'm like, oh, that's interesting. So yeah, I am going to try this. And I will leave a link below. I have a $20 off coupon. I should have mentioned that in the beginning. So for those of you who stuck around and are still interested, I will leave a $20 link below to this so you can try it for $20 off. Like I said, it's customizable, so I don't know what the total price will be. It all depends on what you pick and your price range. But for me, I choose a $13 bottle, so I think I pay like $50-something a month for 4. I love its service. I've been getting it forever. It's packaged super well. The wine's always good. And side note, nothing to do with this, I have a little giveaway going on in my last video. If you like makeup, my Lola beauty box, I'm giving 2 of the items away, so go look for that video, or I will leave it below actually. So just go in the description box. I'll leave the coupon code. It's actually a coupon link. You don't even need a code. Just when you use that link, it'll be automatically applied. So I'll leave that and the video, the giveaway video down below. So thanks for bearing with me, and I'm gonna go watch some Shane Dawson and drink wine. So I will see you tomorrow. Bye.